NICOLA McLean today defended close pal Rebekah Vardy amid her ongoing Wagatha row. The former model said she found it hard to understand why Coleen Rooney was so upset by trivial stories she thinks were leaked by Becky, but her friend just wants to clear her name. 5. NICOLA McLean defended Rebekah Vardy on Good Morning Britain todayCredit, ITV. 5. Pals Becky and NICOLA at a party in 2018 Credit, Splash News. 5. Coleen and Wayne Rooney leaving the Royal Courts of Justice on May 13 Credit, Getty. Speaking on Good Morning Britain, NICOLA, married to footballer Tom Williams, said, "It's common practice among the celeb industry to leak stories. So many people do it. I think I found it quite hard to understand why Coleen was so upset. The stories Coleen seemingly has a problem really didn't seem like a big deal. But I suppose Coleen, she is a very family-orientated woman. She used to quite public, but she has been private for a long time, and when she took to the stand on Friday she said that at this time, things weren't going well in her personal life and it just felt really personal that someone close to her was doing it." NICOLA went on to say that all Becky wants to do with her high court libel battle is clear her name, as she is adamant it wasn't her who was sharing private information about Coleen, 36, to the press. She wants to clear her name, NICOLA said. It matters to her because she is categorically telling us she didn't. And defending her further, she added, "I'm not here to be solely Team Becky, but Coleen put that statement out and Rebekah was pregnant. I saw all the awful messages to her and I saw how much she was struggling mentally. She thought she was going to lose the baby at one point. That part of her pregnancy and the newborn stage, she lost. And Coleen has lost because she doesn't want her marriage dragged up again. They're both already losing, but I really understand why they want the truth." Wagatha row. Coleen shared a social media post in October 2019 accusing Becky, wife of Leicester City striker Jamie Vardy, of being behind leaks. Becky, 40, denies this and is suing for libel. Wayne Rooney's wife claimed to have carried out a months-long sting operation before publicly outing Rebekah in a bombshell post. In it, Coleen said she posted a string of false stories on Instagram account with restricted access to see if they appeared in the media, which they did. She then said the fake stories had only been viewed by one person, and ended dramatically, "It's Rebekah Vardy's account." NICOLA has repeatedly supported Becky, insisting Coleen should know this isn't acceptable. 5. Rebekah Vardy, who is suing Coleen over a social media post Credit, EPA. 5. NICOLA said her friend Becky just wants to clear her name Credit, Getty.